Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start. When the citizens' trust in the state and its workings begins to decrease, even routine incidents are eyed with mistrust and suspicion. Full stop. Something similar happened when the Rangers in Karachi raided the home of a lawyer and arrested his son on charges of possessing drugs. Full stop. The incident became a flashpoint between the state agency, judiciary, and the lawyers community. Full stop. What complicated the situation and possibly injected a dubious motive into it was the fact that the lawyer whose son was arrested also represents PTM MNA Ali Wazir, who himself remains under detention. Full stop. As a reaction to the raid, lawyers did what lawyers now do as a standard operating procedure. They boycotted the courts and refused to appear before the judges. Full stop. When the lawyer's son was brought before a magistrate, the lawyers vociferously demanded that he be given bail. Full stop. Consequently, the magistrate turned down the request of the police for his remand and allowed bail. Full stop. The matter, however, appears to be graver than the case of one lawyer's son being picked up from his home. Full stop. It may well be that it was sheer coincidence that this happened to the son of the lawyer who represents Mr. Wazir, but such is the level of mistrust in state agencies and the legal process as it pertains to the case of the South Waziristan MNA that motives start to be questioned. Full stop. The Supreme Court has granted bail to Mr. Wazir in one case, but he remains behind bars because he has not been given bail in the other cases against him. Full stop. Although an elected representative, he has not been allowed to attend the proceedings of the National Assembly, which is possible if the Speaker issues his protection orders. Full stop. The charges against him are considered flimsy, and it is widely perceived that he is being kept in a detention because of his criticism of the security establishment. Full stop. The authorities need to review his case. Full stop. They should realize that the treatment being meted out to Mr. Wazir reinforces many stereotypes at a time when these need to be done away with. Full stop. His treatment also alienates a large number of citizens from the state. Full stop. A more nuanced approach that is aimed at addressing grievances, not fanning them, would serve the interests of everyone. Full stop. For this to happen, however, those at the helm of state affairs will need to step back and view the situation dispassionately and without preconceived notions. Full stop. The end. This dictation was recorded by Mohammad Rahil Solangi from Sakhar. Thank you.